Broskies and sisters, welcome back to our reaction channel. And if this is your first time here, let me officially welcome you on board. Over here, we react to funny content and we just laugh, chill, be on some good vibes. You feel me? So, yeah, we don't do too much, but we're gonna start reacting to music as well, so we can have like different playlists. Like for those who want to check out the funny TikTok reactions, they're gonna have a playlist for that one. And for those who want to check out the music reactions, reviews, we're gonna put out on the other playlist. So yeah, um, we have a content to check out. This one is the continuation of the couple edition. Yeah, the funny couple edition on TikTok. So let's see if we can find some funny beats on this one.
I like you. I like you too. But here we go. I'm just not ready for like a long-term kind of a thing because you're still trying to find yourself and you have a lot of things that you want to work on and you don't want to get distracted from your career.
Wow.
Yes, that's exactly. How'd you know that's what I was gonna say? Oh, I don't know, just a hunch. Wow, we're so like in tune with each other.
Yeah, that's wow.
Oh Lord.
I'm speechless when in public and he does this. Yeah, you should like it, like, right? Yeah, nah.
Because I was mad at you, not because I stopped
You-
loving you.
Even the
You still
boyfriend
love
after
me?
a fight.
No.
You still love me?
Yeah, so you love me.
No.
Okay. You know what? Yeah, okay, that's some baby behavior, bro. That's some real childish If my girl does this, unless we're joking, okay, cool. But if it's like a real, like, bro. Yeah, they're playing. Okay, I get it. Okay, I get it. But if it was like on some more serious thing and she does that, like, bruh.
I'm not afraid anymore.
Me, I think I'm ready to start dating again. Me, when someone tries talking to me. Yeah. This how married couple sleeps.
Each night before you go to bed, my baby,
Yeah.
whisper a little.
This spooning position is crazy, though. When you spoon, oh yeah. This. Yeah, that was more realistic than the other one. When you first start dating, and you've been hanging out for 8 hours straight. He's in the room, right? Oh, okay. I get it now. Okay, I thought he was gonna be in the room.
I love you.
Yeah.
I love you.
Give me a minute. Using the bathroom.
Never mind.
Yeah, movies had us all twisted. Like our imaginations, expectations. I mean, are crazy, way out there. You have a girlfriend. Yeah, the bands, them rubber bands be everywhere, bro.
That's mine.
I know.
She took it there.
Every time my wife and I have sex, I take $1 and I put it in an envelope next to the bed. At the end of the year, I take that money and I get her a Christmas gift. So far this year, I've made enough to get her a McDonald's McChicken sandwich.
Yo. If that's actually true, that's crazy. If that's actually true, bro, that could be. I mean, like, okay, that's an idea that I would definitely keep because I like it and it's funny, right? But it's crazy though. Damn. Nah, that was
Relationships
funny,
be
bro.
like, did you take the meat out of the freezer like I fucking told you to? 6 fucking times. 6 fucking times. I told you. And you didn't do goddamn shit. Fucker.
Yeah, that's like a married couple. And I thought when they went inside the room, they were, yeah, my.
Holy
Yeah.
mother of Jesus!
Okay.
She's a man. I went to second base with a damn Frenchman. It's the crying games. I'm Brokeback Carter. Oh,
I'm not a man, he's just a wigger.
you sure about that? Huh? Lee, go over there and check the hardware. If she got anything in her bag bigger than a 3-iron, we gonna beat his ass.
Yeah, Chris, crazy. That movie was crazy. Marriage be like, ooh. I just want to say though, to be honest, I just saw the video and I just remembered something, right? We should give women more credit. Like, you know, if you're someone who lived with a woman and like, I mean, everyone has lived with a woman, yeah, your mom and stuff. So me, like, when I think back, the things my mom was doing at home, bro, like, sheesh. So we don't give women enough credit. We should give women enough credit because how she just packed the trash out. My mom did like crazy chores at home. So yeah, like we don't give women enough credit. That's crazy. And my sisters too, like, yeah, they for sure. I did a little bit. I was anyways, let's go with the video. Why is she just walking around like a school teacher looking for some student to punish? What is going on? Does she flog him at home or like whenever they try to watch a movie together? Netflix night? Okay. It be like that sometimes too.
I
My day,
don't want to spoil it for you.
That's a red flag. A big old red flag. Wow.
We're
Okay.
married. What's mine is yours, and what's yours is yours.
We're married. When I say it's time to go somewhere, you'll head to the bathroom.
We're married. If you're having a bad day, we're having a bad day.
We're married. When I say I love you, you'll say thanks or you too.
We're married. If you're going to bed, we're going to bed.
We're married. When you say you can't find something, I'll find it within 10 seconds.
We're married. I don't think you know what the E stands for on your car's gas gauge.
We're married. When I had morning sickness, I pushed through to take care of all of our kids. When you have a cold, you think death is upon you.
Yeah, that one made marriage a little bit kind of scary, and that was the last one. This one is short, but that one kind of made marriage a little bit scary and interesting. Is this something that I want to indulge in, dive into? Like, yeah, but we gonna see though. We gonna see because I know some happy married couples, you know. So yeah, we gonna see. But hey, by the way, that was the end of the video. It's kind of short, but anyways, this one should be dropped. This one should be out on Christmas Day. So for those who be celebrating Christmas, I wish you a merry celebrations. And for those who don't, I wish you a happy Sunday anyways. So yeah, y'all have fun, be safe, don't drink too much, don't eat too much, don't do nothing too much. And for my Niger people, make una not knock too much. You understand? Like keep you on the low profile type ish. You feel me? But hey, thank you guys for checking out the video. I hope to see you guys on the other one. And for that, we out. And if you're wondering what this jacket is, that's Burna Boy. That's Burna Boy right there. That's for the album Twice as Tall. So yeah, I got the jacket when it came out. So yeah, I celebrate on Christmas Day. What would I be doing on Christmas Day? I probably just head out and just chill out. Yo, bye, bro.